when nothing works, that you seem to be doing well and long enough, search for an obstacle to cure. An obstacle to cure refers to any factor or condition that hinders or obstructs the body's natural ability to heal itself. This concept is often associated with homeopathy and functional medicine, although it is highly relevant to all treatments and interventions, and most of the time not even considered, forgotten. Even with the best prescription and administration of therapies, an obstacle to cure will prevent anyone from healing or reaching their full potential. If you notice any delays or stagnation in your healing process, then carefully consider the following categories of possible obstacles to cure. First of all, dietary mistakes. The body needs proper nutrition to complete the healing process. One cannot recover from anemia without iron, or regenerate the nervous system without good quality fats. If you have a constant source of toxicity or internal poisoning, the isolation of that toxin becomes the priority of your self-healing mechanism. The lack of proper sleep hinders any kind of healing. Sleep allows our nervous system to go into the predominant rest and repose mode, essential for all healing and regeneration. I encourage and congratulate my clients when experiencing long and profound sleep after taking a remedy. It is not unusual to sleep at that time for more than 8 hours a day for a few days. Sedentarism or excessive exercise, all extremes of energy dynamics, reflects on your health in general. Immediately after a remedy, allow yourself a gentle regimen of exercising without indulgence in extremes. Immunosuppressive medications will immediately antidote the effect of all homeopathic remedies, and in general, holistic therapies. There are special prescriptions to adapt your treatment in such cases, so contact me. Asthma inhalers are included, potentially. The most overlooked and difficult to control obstacle to cure are life circumstances, continuing family or social situations that force you to focus all the resources away from the healing journey. In this case, family troubles, work pressure, political upheaval, climate conditions, everything that produces distress and requires high amounts of energy expenditure away from the healing processes. Imagine an abusive spouse threatening a patient with divorce if the disease continues to impede their expected lives, or changing night shifts, pressing colleagues at work. Repeated flooding of stress hormones in these cases has sudden suppressive effects on the immune system. Mind-body interferences, strong feelings of shame or problems of conscience, strong willpower or beliefs can also interfere with a holistic therapy. It is called the nocebo effect, the opposite of a placebo. And this is why I do not accept working with clients who do not come at their own initiative. Husbands sent by their wives to treatment, children forced by their parents, the result of an unrequested gift or a donation. Rarely do these situations turn towards solid results. We work in holistic healing with the self-healing mechanisms of the body. We do not impose anything on the body. Structural defects in homeopathy and holistic therapies, we work best with functional disorders. When there is a tumor, a fracture, an inborn malformation, or a genetic defect, holistic therapies will bring improvements, that is for sure, but rarely a cure. Although I have seen miracles, surpassing all obstacles and all predictions, nevertheless, I cannot rely a practice on miracles. Nobody can. During my consultations, we identify the obstacles to cure with careful consideration, and we build a strategy to cure. This is where personalization and integrative medicine are your best option. You need a supportive, knowledgeable, and non-judgmental environment where to feel comfortable seeking help and making informed choices for your healing journeys and general well-being. May you be blessed, waste the best of health, and to feel good and happy.